How to replace wheels on your Veymax electric skateboard. First, you need to loosen all the screws on the wheel cover. Remove the wheel cover. Take out the wheel. Take out the wheel to be replaced. Make sure the holes on the top are in the same position. Replace the wheel cover. Reinstall the screws. The rear wheel with motor part has been replaced. Next is the front wheel without motor. To replace the rear wheel, just use a T-tool to loosen one screw. Between the tires, it consists of 2 spacers and a bearing. Put in the first spacer and bearing. Then use inertia to press and form. Put the last washer under the nut. Then tighten the screws. Now you have completed the steps to replace the wheels. Welcome to subscribe to our channel for more related tutorials.